Hi, tonight I'm going to make beef nachos for dinner, so I thought I would show you a easy, tasty recipe. So I have a pack of mince here, the bigger pack, which is about 700 grams. So we just need to brown that up before we do anything else. So I'm just going to do that in a pot on top of the stove. Okay, that's looking pretty good. We've broken that up and browned most of it, so now I'm going to add the other ingredients. So for my ingredients, I'm going to have a can of black beans. I'm just going to rinse them off, make them nice and clean and get rid of all that briny stuff. So just pop them in. I've just got tomato paste here. I'm going to use all of what's in here because there's only probably 3 dessert spoonfuls. Just gives it that bit of flavour. And I put in a jar of salsa. I always just get the mild salsa because it's not too hot, but it gives it really good flavour. And then I've just got some taco seasoning, and I just use half a packet because a whole packet seems to be too spicy. So put that in. I'm just going to stir all that together. And then that needs to simmer for about 20 minutes. And then I'll get all those flavours through there and it'll be nice and hot. And while that's simmering, we'll make an avocado cream to serve on top of it. For our avocado cream for on top, I need 1 avocado. 1 bottle of sour cream. The juice of a lemon, some salt, and some pepper. And then I'm going to use my hand blender. If you didn't have a hand blender, you could just use a masher and mash it all down so it's nice and smooth. But I'm going to use this just to whip it up. Okay, that's cooked for about 20 minutes, just simmered away. Smells yummy now. And then just put corn chips in the bowl, and that's our avocado cream we made. It's dinner served.